Before we start discussing what social network is all about, let's have a short background and brief history of what social network really is. Oxford Dictionary defines social network as a website platform where people can interact with each other, share information by sharing posts, messages, pictures, comments, likes, etc. This platform became an integral part of today's world, which connects multitude of people with each other. Let's move on to its timeline. 1844. The first electronic message was sent by a telegram. 1997. Social networking sites like 6degrees.com were launched. 2002. The rise and fall of Friendster. Wherein Friendster launched in 2002 was an early social complement to Rise, a social networking to continue to develop. It finally became a widespread and sites like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter became a well-known brands. 2024. Until this day, and for the past few years, social networking continued to develop. And sites like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, as I said earlier, became a well-known and most used social media platform. Through this platform, users may connect with friends, family, coworkers, and like-minded people regardless of where they live and regardless of the distance. Social networks aim to improve online and offline communities by providing space for real-time information sharing, professional networking, and self-expression in addition to enabling connection, communication, and interaction among users. Now, what's the relevance of social networking? Now, let me explain how important social networking is in today's world. Let me give you an example how social networks provide easier communication for being a teacher, parent, student, and as well as in our working environment. Since through social networking platforms, we are able to connect and communicate with users no matter what the distance and no matter where you are. For being a teacher, platform fosters smooth interaction between its co-teachers or co-workers and its students and as well as among our classmates. Most of our parents use social networking to
Hi.
connect with their family since it is convenient because they can talk with their family regardless of the distance. Supervising their kids' social media ensures a safe and fulfilling online experience. And as for administrator, they are important and relevant part of social networking as they establish policies, address issues like cyberbullying, and manage organizational social media presence, hesitating an understanding of its complexities for fostering a safe online environment. Proper understanding of social networking is important for individuals and for everyone, since we have all various roles and responsibilities. By recognizing and using its potential, we might also address its challenges so we can nurture a safe, pleasant, and productive online environment for all.
Si Brian Curtis Hile ay isang 29 years old na lalaki na nagmumula sa Michigan ay naging biktima sa paninirang sa pamamagitan ng social media. Niloloko siya ng kanyang kausap na akala niya isang tunay na babae. Matagal sila nag-uusap at nagpapalitan ng mga mensahe at mga sensitibong larawan. Matapos malaman ni Hay na ang kanyang matagal na kausap ay isa to ng lalaki, ang lalaki naman ginagamit ang mga larawan ng isang tunay babae upang lokohin ang mga lalaki sa internet. Ang babae naman ay hindi alam na ginagamit na pala ang mga kanyang larawan para lokohin ang mga lalaki sa internet. Sa pagtutuklas ng katotohanan na natiling naniwala si Hyle na ang babae na hindi responsable sa nasabing panlilinlang. Agad siya't gumawa ng higit na panaliksik at hacking upang malaman kung saan nakatira ang babae. At matapos niyang matagpuan na kung saan nakatira ang babae, nag-book agad si Hyle ng isang ticket ng bus mula sa Michigan patungong San Diego kung saan nakatira ang babae. Sa kabutihan ng palad, napansin ng pamilya ni Hyle na siya ay galit na galit at may balak. Pagkatapos malaman ng mga pamilya ni Hyle ay sila ay nagmamadaling lumapit sa mga otoridad upang magsumite ng ulat tungkol sa plano ng kanilang anak. Matagumpay na napigilan si Hyle ng kanyang pamilya at ang anumang mga karagdagan ng insidente. Noong August 2011, si Hyle ay nahuli at kinulong ng mga otoridad kasama na ang mga peligrosong bagay tulad ng duct tape, zip ties, at isang listahan ng gawain bukod sa mga ito. Nakuha rin ng mga otoridad ng isang kutsilyo at chloroform mula kay Hyle.
Next, we have difficulties. We all know that social security is beneficial, but it lacks security and it has many security issues due to data privacy breaches and violations like cyberbullying, online harassments, and the spread of fake news, necessitating concrete measures for user protection and a more positive experience for the user. Regarding this, we have cyberbullying. It is another significant issue with the harmful interactions causing emotional distress and harm, particularly among younger users. Misinformation and fake news, it spreads rapidly on these platforms, often with serious consequences for society, as it can influence opinions and behaviors based on false informations. Last, we have the addictive nature of social media, because we all know that it can affect the productivity and time management of the users.
Why are you crying?
It leads to excessive usage and distraction. Moreover, constant exposure to carefully curated online personas can harm self-esteem as users compare themselves to unrealistic standards. So these are the difficulties of social networking.
Here we have the development part. As you can see in the slide, we have examples, websites, or social network platforms that has been developed. There are two major social networking platforms here. First, we have the LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a social networking platform that you can use to create profile to find a right job or internship for you. Also, you can use it in networking, recruiting, and professional development. Next, we have the collaboration. Collaboration is being facilitated by LinkedIn. In the word collaboration, this tool is used to collaborate, connect, communicate, knowledge sharing of professional and with another professionals. Also, this is the way of communication between the client and the professionals. Next, we have the implication. Although social network provides a great improvements, there are still threats to consider. First, we have the hackers. We can't eliminate all the hackers, but we can prevent being hacked by them. Hackers are everywhere, so we must protect our important data and keep our privacy settings up to date. Also, make sure to think before you click a link online. It can be a link that can access your private data and use your identity in bad ways. The second one is the personal data. This personal data is the one who wants by the hacker. Hackers want your personal data because they have value to them. They can use it to access your accounts and make a fraudulent purchases and transfer using your bank accounts. So, in our conclusion, in a world where social networking has become an integral part of our daily living, it is important to learn the benefits and potential danger that can bring. Potential risk like data breach, cyberbullying, and the spreading of fake news. There are needs to be an action that shall solve or at least lessen the chances of it occurring. And as social networking platforms continue to evolve and expand its reach, it is essential for users to be informed about the necessary knowledge on how to navigate through it. Adding on, it is also a vital for users to know about the necessary step to be able to travel through it. It is imperative to know that while it has many benefits, we can take advantage of it. It also has its own potential danger that one may encounter, as such as promotion of proper awareness about its usage and well as known how one can better safeguard oneself from potential threats that may come while navigating through different social networking platforms. Having proper knowledge about the different things one may encounter in social networking platforms should form a path to a more pleasant and enjoyable time using it.